Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add your debit card to Dave app. If you don't have a Dave account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get $15 when you take in advance. But if you already have an account, open the app by tapping on it. Now, enter your passcode to log in. Once logged in, you will see a gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon. On this screen, scroll down to the bottom and you will see a section for settings. Under settings is an option for linked bank and cards. Tap on linked bank and cards. Under the debit card section, you will see an option for add debit card. Tap on add debit card. Now, enter the card info such as your first name, last name, card number, expiration month and year, CVC, and zip code. Note that the card must not be a prepaid card. After entering, tap on the Add button. That's how you add your debit card to Dave app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.